Say this is Lily Shawnala from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. I test relationships. If your partner is loyal, you get 1,000 rand. If your partner is cheating, you don't get anything. So right here, I have my 1,000 rand with me. If your partner is loyal, you're gonna get this 1,000 rand. So stay tuned as I'm about to look around and see who is loyal, who is not. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena
Bro,
ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
Well, how's it? Sure. My name is Lily Shawnala from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships. So I just need 1 minute of your time. I'm gonna give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. If umuntu wakho loyal, if umuntu wakho loyal, you get 1,000 rand. So ngiyabelieve ukuthi uyajola mfowethu, uyathandana.
Yeah, mfethu.
Mm.
Ngiyajola mfethu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igama ubani? My name is Lee.
Kama uThemkosi.
Temgos.
Yeah.
Okay, Temgos. So I just need few minutes of your time, ne? As I said. I'm gonna ask you 3 questions. Umuntu wakho, let's decide just for the cast. Uthandana nomuntu wakho for isikhathi singakanani? Igama lakho ubani?
Ngijana nomuntu wami for 1 year.
Okay.
Igama lakhe uThepiso.
Okay, 1 year. Thepiso. Okay. Ugcine nini kubona umuntu wakho?
2 weeks back.
2 weeks back. Okay. 2 weeks back. Thepiso. Una 1 year. Okay. Thingy ngithatha ifoni yami. So yeah, before we proceed, this is the money. If you win, if umuntu wakho loyal ngizokunika le mali. Yeah. Ongasmile mfowethu hawo. Usmile. At least yabo uzomthengela ama flowers. Ngicela ama number wakhe. Yeah, ungafaka lana. Yeah. Yeah, ufake lana. Ungafoneli yabona nje afake kuphela. Yeah. Ungangatatazeli mfethu. Yeah. So ngizocala uthule ne. Mase ucede yeah, mangikhuluma naye wena ungakhuluma uthule until mina ngicede ukukhuluma naye. Utheka mawubani? Thembinkosi.
Themkosi.
Okay. Yeah. Thembinkosi or Themkosi?
Themkosi.
Themkosi. Yeah. Okay. Cala ukweleka kancane. So ulalele. Hey, sure. Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show here where I test relationships. I'm with your partner. I want to ask you a few questions to confirm if your partner is loyal. So I want to check if you are loyal. If you are loyal, your partner here is going to get 1,000 rand.
Okay.
Yeah. Your partner is light skin or dark skin?
He's not dark, he's not light.
Okay.
He's just, yeah.
But what kind of answer is that?
Like, angazi ukuthi unjani.
So when I was ukuthi umuntu wakho unjani?
Like, akekho dark, akekho light, right.
Yeah, unofana ukuthi you didn't answer me phela.
Ini, uphakamile.
Okay. When last did you see umuntu wakho?
Ngiqinizela.
Okay. How long have you been together?
1 year.
1 year. Sorry?
You 1 year manje.
Okay. Igama la muntu wakho bani?
Uthembinkosi.
Hey. Okay, wow. Okay, congratulations. You are loyal. Wow. Mfethu.
Yeah,
Ongathi ufuna ukhala.
Ayilutho.
Yeah, he just won 1,000 rand. Wow. Thanks. You are loyal. Wow.
ukuthi sicela ukuyishaka leyo 1,000 rand.
Hello.
Because ngiloyal.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
All right.
Wow.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Eish. Ngiyaphila nami. Eish, yazi indlela ekhumbule ngayo. Eish. Yazi beda kuhlangana nje nabanye abantu la. Sengiwine i-R1000. Yazi bangathanda ukuthi iso-share.
Yaphilisa ishaka le 1000.
Yeah, eish, kudala ngagcina yazi eish. Yazi bese kukhumule yazi.
Loyal.
Yeah, loyal ne.
Wena loyal?
Yangithembekile mina.
Ngishada.
Ngithembekile. Askis?
Uthi kumele umshade.
Hayi khulileka. Yabona nje into ezokwenzeka leyo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amalobolo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, baby. Uzofona ke.
All right, no sir.
Mfethu. Thank you sister. Mfethu. Sawubongela.
Yazi.
Hey.
Loyal yazi. Uthembekile.
Kimzulu.
Kimsuthu.
Oh. So mfethu ethi sokunika imali. Welcome Siphiwe. Ozazoba Minister of Finance. Ngicela umnike kahle se. Ngicela let's phone. Yabo? Ufila kanjani mfethu?
Yazi. Ngijabule ngayo umuntu wami. Loyal umuntu wami.
Guys, people always say, hey, Lee is not happy. You see, I'm happy for this guy. Sakubongela futhi mfethu ne. Yeah, sakubongela. Ufuna uhamba umafisa kafuna uhamba.
Next.
Yeah. Okay. I need one advice. Please advise abantu that are watching this show and they lost hope in a relationship. So they need some sort of hope ukuthi yabo nabo ba progress like you. So what can you say to them?
Engakusho nje ukuthi abantu kumele bathembane kuma relationships. Yeah, ukuze azokwazi ukuthi aqhubeke aye phambili.
But for you to trust someone, what must happen? You can't just trust someone and it.
Yeah.
So mele bayenzeni? What kind of action must they do?
Umele umuntu wakho umbonise ukuthi umthanda kangakanani umuntu wakho. Ukuze naye azokuthemba ukuthi lo userious umuntu wami serious umuntu wami uma engithanda.
So wena intombazana mayingaza kuya siyakuthanda uzoyithini?
Ngicela umbuzo kuqala ukuthi sisi uthandani nje kubungibona nje.
Athi ukuthanda de ungakhona.
Yokungakhona. Njani? Ngamuza ukuthi akachaze kuqala ukuthi njani.
Maka achaza de ungakhona uzothini?
Uthi ngithi hayi ngoba uthi angithanda. Ake sizame sibone ukuthi ugcina kanjani.
Wait. Unomuntu muzi. Unomuntu muzi. Or ufuna isithembu?
Khona vele ngithi ngoba vele ngumZulu. Isithembu vele sayidinga isithembu yo.
So intombazana mayingaza kuya athi yona yakuthanda wena ngeke you won't say no. Ngeke uthi no.
Manje sombe depend what. Ngempela manje isikhathi samanje.
So kahle wena ukho loyal umuntu wakho loyal.
Ana loyal nami loyal kuye.
But you just said ukuthi if intombazana mayingaza kuwe uzoyivumela. Kahle uyacheata wena.
Angicheat bafaya. I mean I am cheat.
Unamakhopheni wena?
Anginamakhopheni.
Bafuvuma unamakhopheni unayo.
Hayi bafaya wona lutho anginayo.
But intombazana mayingaza kuwe manje athi yakuthanda uzovuma.
Depend man.
Depend ngani? If she's hot. Uthandani kumantombazana? Uthanda inyasha, uthanda amabele, uthandani? Ufuna lo muntu apakile?
Hayi.
Ufunani?
Mayimuhle nje. Ayibukeka. Yeah.
Oh mamuhle abukeka?
Yeah.
Uzovuma.
Zoba ngishilo nje phambi ukuthi ku depend. Yeah.
So uzoba nabantu bo2 kahle. Uzenza isithembu.
Hayi. Nje umuntu wami nje eloyal. Hayi nami kuzomela ukuthi ngibe loyal ngoba ngimthembise ngathi.
So you were not loyal. Ngekho loyal. You were not loyal. Uzoba loyal because umuntu wakho loyal.
Yeah.
Okay. Asukuyeke bafo uyo enjoy imali yakho ne. Siyabonga. Yeah, uhambe kahle bhuti. sharp. Ubhuti, yeah, siyambongela. This is Lile Hlonolo from CMTV. I hope, I don't know, this episode just confused me. It took another turn. It took a U-turn before. Hey, before I ended in J, I just saw good. It's going for another direction. But anyway, this is Lile Hlonolo. Thank God.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wena
Bro,
ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And singing light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me that when you are stuck with my girlfriend?
Why are you cheating?